chase command. So what is that? Change age password age. So change is change user password expiry expiry information. You understood? Change is nothing but a change user expiry password information. Change user expiry password information. Right? The change command changes the number of keys between password changes and the date of the last password change. So this information is used by the system to determine when a user must change his or her password. So this information is used by the system to determine when a user must change his or her password. Is a password. Change options again options and username. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is syntax is change options username. So what are the options? Options hyphen D is nothing but a set date of last password change. Hyphen capital E is nothing but a set account expiration date. Capital I inactive set password inactive after expiration hyphen L show account aging information. Okay. Hyphen small m is nothing but a set minimum number of days before password change. Okay. Hyphen capital M set maximum number of days, maximum number of days before password change. Hyphen capital W. Set the expiration warnings, warning days. Set expiration warning days. Yes, understood? Examples. What are the examples, please? So, what are the examples? How you can set the command chase hyphen L user one. It shows the it shows password aging information for the user one. For the user one. How to change it? Chase hyphen small m, three hyphen capital M, 60 days, hyphen capital W, 5 days for capital I, 5 days user 4, Monday 3, Next is 16. Warning this 5. Next to this 5. The user from the user. Oh, right. So which user? Here we are using Tom. Here using Bonnie, whatever it may be. Okay. This is the this is the information about the Tom, changing the password about the Tom. Right. The next command chase -d 0 user 5. So -d means d is nothing but a number of days. So to preempt, what is that? To user to change password at first. Password at first login. Yes, understood? Chase -l, chase -u. If you want to change it, you can change it by using. So if you want to change the here, chase user 6. Okay, so this is the user 6. Chase password cat slash etc password user 6 value has been logged. I want to change it to bin bash, right? User mod -s shell, right? So bin dash user 6. Now let's change it from, so you see, before it is has been no login, now it is bin bash. Let's try to log in. Duplicate session, sorry, duplicate session, user 6, red hat, at the rate 1. Right? Yeah. Now able to log into user 6. Okay. Chase -d 0 user 6. Now let's try to log in. You see here, chase -l user 6. So minimum number of between password change 0 days. Immediately we can change the password. Let's see. Duplicate session, user 6, red hat at the rate 1. You see, immediately it is asking the password. You must change your password now and log in again. Because of, so administrator created the username and password. They know the password, right? He is able to log in as your account and he will delete something, right? And immediately I need to change my password. How you can change your password? Change FND, change FND 0 username. Immediately you are changing the password. Red hat with the rate 1. New password. COS at the rate 1. COS at the rate 1. Okay. The password is changed to application user 6. Okay. You log in with the new user. Guys, understood?